your socks and shoes on because you are taking Lady for a walk. She needs it and you kids need it. Let's go.
Can I go to the park so we can kick the soccer ball around?
Sure.
Please! Yay!
If you did not watch yesterday's video, we were at a photo shoot and we came home first thing in the morning and here we are, it's 10 o'clock. We just walked in the house and for the photo shoot, we had all of our Christmas items that we had to get out, so we may as well get them set up. When we brought all of our Christmas decorations out, there was space on the shelves downstairs, and so I just put everything that was up here on those shelves. We have our Christmas out, so let's put our Christmas up. Let's do this. First things first, you lay a towel down where your Christmas tree is going to go. That is not near big enough so it doesn't scratch your floor. I think this side goes over here. Are the lights not working?
No.
Broken Christmas lights. Happens every year.
It's the most wonderful time that I fear.
When your kids are
blowing, the kids will be
fighting, so they have to sit in corner.
I didn't fight.
It's a at-home quarantine.
Christmas time.
No. Yes, I did. You said dot. Or dot. I want to help. Mom, can I help?
Lincoln, nope, you can sit there because you threw a car at Boston's face.
Can I help?
No.
And you guys weren't being nice to each other, so you can just sit there and
Lincoln,
watch.
stop your
Lincoln,
crying.
don't you whine to me. I know it's sad. And you know what? It makes me sad too because I really wanted you to help. But I'm not letting you help when you don't behave. In case anyone was wondering, the 3M stickies work wonderful even on like nice surfaces. They don't take the paint off, so.
I didn't think that was gonna happen, but they really work. They really work. I'm a believer.
Yep, I'll link them all in the description. I think it's starting to look like Christmas, Joel.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yeah.
Everywhere you go.
Let's not go there.
Oh, she was
Was that
singing
her?
too. Why does she bark? Oh, gee. She's like, leave me alone. Well, Joel, you still have a lot of work ahead of you. Do you see how the top of the tree doesn't light up?
There's a light on this tree. There won't light on one side.
I see a whole bunch of lights that need fixed.
Not my fault.
And I see a whole garland that still needs fixed. All right, so we have a few things we still need to do, but you know, the basics are up. And it's not quite the beautiful montage that we've always had in the past.
It's Christmas time.
And na 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 na. Ladies waiting for Santa. The kids already have dedicated and knows exactly whose stockings belong to who. All right, Joel, we still have some work to do. I'm tired.
I'm saying this weed.
What, you got a mess in your packet? I got a lot, almost all of my decorations 2 or 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 years ago, I think. And I will put in the description as many things that I can find that are similar to mine. And yeah, we'll go from there. So if you're interested in any of the things, my favorite thing that I've ever bought is the like snowy faux fur blanket and pillows and tree skirt. That was probably my favorite thing that I've bought. And the flocked tree. Okay, bye. So usually at nighttime, the kids, or like on the weekends especially, the kids will tell Lincoln, we're all going to bed, right, Mom? And then everyone goes to bed, like Lincoln, and the kids have a movie night. Tonight, let me tell you how our night went. Me and Lincoln fell asleep for a couple hours. And right before we fell asleep, I ordered DoorDash. And, oh, I can't show you, Joel. He's not dressed. 2 hours later, I wake up, DoorDash hasn't come. So we figured it like canceled itself or whatever. And so we were starving. And so we got in the car and we went and got takeout. And that was really fun and we liked it. And then 3 hours later, DoorDash arrived. So we'll have leftovers for dinner. And then Lincoln got to actually have movie night since he was like wide awake. And
I had to go to sleep and then...
well, because you were bugging the kids.
Mm-hmm.
So then I let you stay up in my bed with me and we watched shows.
And we watched Elves.
Tell everyone what you want Santa Claus to bring you this year.
Another dog.
What kind?
A cabochon.
And what do you want to name it?
Bob Ross.
Okay, well he told me he wanted to name it Lady earlier.
Well, I want to name it later, but then I changed my mind to Bob Ross.
And then Jill and I got into an argument and he wanted a soda and I wouldn't go get it for him. And then he went and, oh, he put a shirt on so he could be a part of the conversation. Normally when I'm mad and I order something, who do I get the food for?
You.
And me only.
Mm-hmm.
What did you order?
I ordered you the stuff you like.
Oh my
Sodas!
Don't tell them our secrets.
Sodas!
Yeah, it really was.
You didn't drink yours though.
I didn't, because I felt bad for having fast food. I couldn't have a soda on top of fast food. Anyway, so here's our night. That was kind of our...
Hey, this old house just updated all their stuff from COVID because they got shut down.
Really?
And then they are showing it now and it's possibly my favorite build ever.
Wow, that's amazing. Lincoln, what's it called when you show your middle finger to someone?
Flicking someone off.
Yeah, we don't want to flick anyone off, do we?
But you said we could flick the cat lady off.
Don't. My children are gonna end up criminals and it's their mother's fault.
You said...
I like when things backfire on me. Basically, I've spent my entire day with this little boy and I've loved every minute of it. But you tell my secrets to too many people. You're not. Your breath smells like Oreos and I'm living for it. Okay, and one thing. No. If you guys just want to Lincoln. If you love Lincoln, then you're gonna love this. Go to my Instagram. There is a highlight called Lincoln. And if you just want to cry, just go look at it. There's 100 slides, and at the end of it, you're gonna be like, oh, where's more? Oh, there is more. I had to start a Lincoln 2 highlight because it's too good. Guys, I'm gonna close the vlog. I flippin' love ya, and I'll see you tomorrow.